Good morning, girls. Today we are going to start chapter number 4. Okay, we have completed chapter number 1 and chapter number 2, and we are doing third chapter in the class, right? So, this chapter number 4, lesson number 9, we are doing statistics chapter. Okay. What is statistics actually? Detailed we will do it in the class, but it is actually study about the facts and figures, numerical facts and figures. Okay, it's about numbers, about collection of data, and how to present them. Okay. So collection of data, what is data actually? Data is like when we take information about something. Suppose if I ask about that, how many students are there in the class? So it is known as data actually. And data can be qualitative and quantitative. Quantitative means when numbers you talk about in numbers, and qualitative means when you talk about the quality of the person. Okay. Um, okay, and you must have seen cricket matches also. In the cricket match, like if any players record the show, that is known as data. Same in other sports fields like football, like tennis, and all. When they show the record of the player, it is known as statistics. Okay, and you must have seen the graphs also, so they can make the graph using the data. Okay. If I ask you how many teachers are in your school, so that is also known as data. If you'll give me number, total number of teachers, or total number of students in your school, that is also the data. And another thing, like suppose if I ask the height in your class, what is the height of each student, so that when you are going to ask each and everyone, so that is also the data when you collect it and present it. Okay, so in every field actually we use this statistics. Okay, now how to use it when data is given, how you do the calculation, how you find it, the answer from the those values and data. Now we'll start. The topic here is measures of central tendency. Measures of central tendency means you find one central value, one main answer actually you find. Okay, like obviously you are collecting the data, like you are asking height of each and every student. Now how you are going to show it with the help of one answer? So you will take out average obviously, so it is known as central tendency. Okay, now first I'll mention the definition of the average. Average is actually single quantity, one value which represents the whole data. Okay, so average is actually a single quantity, one value, one answer, single quantity. Okay, which represents the whole data. Okay, which represents which represent the whole data. Now there are different kinds of average. Okay, so we will do the different kinds. This topic comes in the short question answers as well as in the MCQs. Okay, so this is important chapter, important topic. Sorry. Okay, now we will write the kinds of average. Okay, kinds of average. There are three kinds actually. of average, one is mean, okay, second is median. In all these you will get one single answer, okay, which represents the whole data, and mode. Okay, you must have done these before: mean, median and mode. Okay, now further mean is also of three more types. Okay, it can be classified into arithmetic mean, short form is AM; geometric mean, short form is GM; and harmonic mean, short form is HM. In these three different these are further three different types of mean. Okay, now but we will study only one type from this. We will study only arithmetic mean. Okay, we will study this only, arithmetic mean, and then we will study median, and we will study mode also. One by one we are going to do. We will start with arithmetic mean. Okay, let's start with arithmetic mean. Okay, first one, short form is AM. Okay, arithmetic mean. Okay, this arithmetic mean we are going to do for ungrouped data. There are two different types of data, grouped and ungrouped. Group data is when we make different columns and we write the values, that is group data. And when columns are not given, only numbers are written, it is known as ungrouped data. Okay, so we'll start with the ungrouped data. Okay, so our arithmetic mean for ungrouped data. How to find the arithmetic mean of ungrouped data? Okay, this we will discuss it. Okay, what is the formula of it? We'll start with the formula. Formula for arithmetic mean is AM, short form of arithmetic mean equals to x bar equals to sigma x upon n. Okay, where now this sign is known as sigma or summation. Okay, sigma or summation. This sigma is actually Greek symbol. Okay, and it means summation. Summation is sum is short form of summation, so it means you find the sum. Whenever the sigma sign is written, it is understood that you have to find sum. X means all the values. Okay, values which we are using, numbers, whatever numbers we are using, we'll name them as X. Okay, and sigma X, summation X means sum of all the values whatever are given in the question. And N stands for total number of observation, how many numbers are written, how many values are written. So it is known as total number of observation. Okay, so this is total number. This is a formula for ungrouped data. Okay, this comes in the MCQs. Okay, these type of questions for ungrouped one, this comes in the MCQs. Okay, I'll mention it here. So this you have to do for the MCQs. Formula also you have to learn it. Formula comes in the MCQs, and the question also. Now I will give you the example when the numbers are given, that is known as data. When numbers are given, how to find the value, how to find arithmetic mean. Okay, so this we are going to do. Let me write the question first. It is from your book, example number 1. Okay, I'm doing examples from your book because everything comes from your book, so it is better to do from your book so that you can practice the examples also. Okay, so this example is on page 67. Okay, I'm not copying the whole question. Question is in your book. Just the main part, important part, I'm going to write main part of the question. You have to find arithmetic mean. Short form of arithmetic mean is AM. Find AM of, now the values are given, numbers are given actually. 50, 85, 98, 55, 78, 82, 65, 75, 80, 72, 70 and 90. Okay, now these numbers are known as data. Now this data is given and you have to find arithmetic mean. Okay, let's solve it. Now how to find the arithmetic mean? For arithmetic mean, you have to write the formula first. Formula of arithmetic mean is equals to x bar equals to sigma summation x upon n. Okay. Now in the question, sigma x means sum of all these values. We are going to add all these values, and n means total number of observations, so you have to count how many values are these. Okay, so in this case you can see n is what, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So n is 12. Okay, let's find the mean. So what we are going to do, we will add all the values. So arithmetic mean is equals to sum of all the values. Add them. 50 plus 85 plus 98 plus 55 plus 78 plus 82 plus 65 plus 75 plus 80 plus 72 plus 70 plus 90 divided by, this is sigma x. Okay, summation x, we are adding all the values, divided by 12. So it is equals to, you can use simple calculator. Okay, in the exams also. So add all these values. So sum of all these values is equals to 900 upon 12. Okay, you can calculate also. So after dividing, arithmetic mean is equals to 75. Okay, so this is the answer. Very simple question. Easily you can solve this. Add all the values divided by total number of observation. Okay, I'll give you one more example. Okay, so that you can easily do these questions. Okay, now suppose values are given -1, 2, -3, 5, 0. Okay, you have to find arithmetic mean. Simple it is. Same way you will solve it. Okay. Method is same. Let's solve it. Same way. You know that formula of arithmetic mean is x bar is equals to sigma x upon n. It means sum of all the values, so you will add all these values. Now where minus sign is given, minus into plus is minus. Minus 1 plus 2 plus minus minus 3 plus 5 plus 0. Okay, divided by how many values are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, divided by 5. In this case, n is 5. Okay, now there are plus and minus signs. So what we are going to do, we will add the plus values. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 minus 1, 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. Or you can use calculator, it's up to you. Okay, 3 divided by 5. Now you can further divide it in decimals. You can write the answer. Okay, so 5 is 0.6. This is the answer. So if minus sign is given, then also you can solve it. Okay, it's not difficult. It's very simple, very easy. Okay. Now this we have done it for ungrouped data. You can see only numbers are written. You just add them and divide it by total number of observation. Okay, there is no column in it. So simple data is given, these values, these numbers, actually this is known as data. Okay, so how to find the one value, one single answer? Okay, one central value, it is known as mean, arithmetic mean. Okay, now we will find arithmetic mean for group data. Okay, group data means when columns are given, how to find the value. Okay. Okay, arithmetic mean. Okay, arithmetic mean. Okay, arithmetic mean. Now we are finding arithmetic mean for group data. Grouped. Okay, group data. In the group data, columns will be given to you. Okay, first we will write the formula of group data. Okay, formula is different. Okay, formula for group data. Arithmetic mean equals to x bar equals to, this sign is summation fx or sigma fx upon summation f or sigma f. Okay, now this is the formula for group data. Now where this sign you already know, this is known as sigma, or you can call it summation, same thing. Okay, summation means sum of all the values. Now sum of what? F stands for frequency. Okay, F stands for frequency, and here X stands for midpoint. Okay, X means we are going to find the midpoint. Midpoint means middle value. Okay, so when the table is given, group data is given, what we do, we apply this formula sigma fx upon sigma f. Okay, this comes in the short question answers. Okay, short question answers. Okay, you have to learn the formula. It comes in the MCQs and the question comes in the short question answers. Okay, let me write the question. It is in your book. Okay, question is in your book. This example actually It is on page 70. Okay. Now I'm not copying the whole question. I'm just going to write find arithmetic mean. Okay. Ages are given of 700 students. Okay. What is the age of the student? Okay. So different age groups are there. Some children are below 10 years, some are below 15 years, or few are above 15 years. Okay. So they have made the groups and they have wrote them in the columns. Okay, so I'm just copying the main part of the question. Okay, so different ages of the students are given, 700 students. You have to find arithmetic mean. Okay, so I'm just writing this find arithmetic mean. Okay, so remaining question you can copy it from page 70. Okay, now you have to find arithmetic mean of these columns. Okay, you can see columns are given in the question. First column is ages, and these ages are in years. Okay, this is the first column, and ages are given from 9 till 11, then from 11 till 13, then from 13 till 15. All these are age group students from 9 years till 11 years. Then how many students are there from 11 years till 13 years? Then from 13 till 15 years, how many are there? Then from 15 till 17 years, how many are there? Okay, then there is the second column in which they have mentioned that how many are there. So the second column is also given. It is known as number of students. Okay, this is the second column, number of students, and this is known as F, frequency. Okay, this is the which we have used it in the formula F. Okay, the second column is known as F. It is not written in the question. So in the question only these two columns are given. Okay, so second column, remember it, always known as the frequency. Okay, this column, first column groups are given, and this second column is frequency column. Okay, so now in frequency column what they have done, they have mentioned in the first group students whose ages are from 9 till 11, there are 200 students. Okay, then age group from 11 till 13, there are 225 students. Third one, age group from 13 till 15, there are 175 students, and this age group there are 100 students. Okay, these two columns are given in your book in the question. Okay, so in the exams also they are going to give you only these two columns. Okay, these two columns will be given to you. Okay, so now how to solve it, I will continue these two columns. In this I will make two more columns. Okay, according to the formula two more columns are required. Okay, according to the formula two more columns are required. So this is the question. Okay, these two columns are in the question. So remember this, first one is group. In the first column groups are given, in the second column these are known as frequency. Okay, so you will write F. This is not written in the question, so you will write this F. This column is known as F. You will make one more column, the next column, that is midpoint column. So you will make it. Okay, midpoint. This column is known as X. Okay, this you will make it. This is not given in the question, so in the solution you will make this column. Okay, two are there, you will make two more columns. Okay, and the last column is F into X. Okay, this is in the formula, you have to find F into X. So altogether there are four columns. You will make four columns altogether. Now how to find the midpoint? Midpoint means middle value. Middle value of what? Middle value of this column, first column where groups are given. Okay, there are two ways of finding the middle value. Okay, first method is you see in this group how many numbers are there. 9 till 11 means 9, 10, 11. Okay, 9 till 11 means numbers are from 9, 10 and 11. Okay, numbers are 9, 10 and 11. Okay, now the middle number here is this 10. So middle value is 10, midpoint. Easy it is. Find the middle value. Okay, same way in the second group 11 till 13 means 11, 12, 13. So middle number is 12. In this case 13, 14, 15. 14 is middle number, so we will write 14 here. Then in this group 15, 16, 17. So 16 will come in the middle. Okay, this way you can find the midpoint. Or there is another way of finding the midpoint. What we do, we add 9 and 11. 9 plus 11 is 20. 20 divided by 2. Okay, same way 11 plus 13 divided by 2. 13 plus 15 divided by 2, you will get this answer. 15 plus 17 divided by 2, you will get this answer. Okay, so it's up to you how you find this midpoint. Okay, now the last column is f into x. F is this column, x is this column. So multiply these. 200 into 10. Okay, 200 into 10 is 2000. Then next value 225 into 12. 225 into 12. So multiply, use calculator, simple calculator. 2700. 175 into 14. 175 into 14 is equals to 2450. Okay, the last one 100 into 16 equals to 1600. Okay, use calculator for multiplication. Now you find the total of this column, sum of this column. So it is known as sum of column fx. Okay, summation fx equals to total of this column is 8750. Okay, you use calculator to find the total of this column, and you will find the total of this column also, sum of f column. Okay, sigma f means sum of this column, so this is equals to 700. Okay, so total of frequency column and total of fx column, these two total you are going to find. Okay, now how to solve it? Okay, write down the data first, what is given, then we will write the formula. Okay, now the data means what values are given. Now the values are given, you have found these values. Sigma f is 700 and you have solved sigma fx also, it is 8750, right? Now you can write the formula. Okay, write down the formula. Let's solve it. Formula of arithmetic mean is x bar equals to sigma fx upon sigma f. Okay. Now you know the value of sigma fx. Sigma fx is 8750. 8750 divided by sigma f is this total 700. Okay, so you are dividing this last column by frequency column. Divide them, you can use simple calculators. Okay guys, so let's divide this. After dividing you will get the answer. X bar equals to 12.5. Okay, so this is the mean and one answer you got. There was table given, you can see the table is given, so this is known as group data. Okay, and from this table, after applying formula, you got one single value which represents the whole data. Okay, mean of whole data. So average of this the age group is 12.5. Okay, mean of this age group is 12.5 years. You will write the units also. Okay, in years. So this is the answer. So we have done both group data and ungrouped data. Remember this, group data means columns are given, ungrouped only numbers are given. Okay, so you will solve it according to the data, what type of data is given, columns are given or not. Okay, these this comes in the short question answers. Okay, this formula and these type of question and short question answers, sometimes it comes in the descriptive also. Okay, so it comes in both short and descriptive. So I have written only short, sometimes it comes in the descriptive also. Okay, so in both they give, so it means this is important topic actually. Okay, so you better practice it. There is homework also, exercises there, so you do the exercise also, do all the questions. Okay, now which exercise you have to do, your homework is your homework is exercise 4.2. Now from this exercise you are going to do question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, question number 6, question number 7, question number 8 and question number 10. Okay, do only this and rest I'll explain you in the class. If you have any problem, anything you have not understood, you can ask me anytime in the class also, you can ask me. Okay, whenever we are going to have a class you can ask me, just mark the questions which you haven't done it. And girls, please complete all your lessons. Okay, all your homework, whatever we have done it till now, please complete all the lessons. Okay, and do this also in your exercise book, and then do these questions also. We will discuss it in the class. Okay, if there is any difficulty, any problem, we will discuss it in the class. I hope you have understood this important topic. Okay, please practice also, start practicing, practice all these questions, then you'll be able to understand. Okay guys, take care, bye.